Welcome back to another episode of Spilling the Tea with the Henna guys. Today's video, I did a video last year and she had did wine red and she goes by Catsy Chronic. In today's video, and I think this is like 5 months. Yeah, so 5 months ago she did a video on Burgundy. So I'm excited to see what color changes she has from wine red to Burgundy. It was an interesting video that we did last year, so I want to see how this goes. So let's begin.
Today we're going to be doing...
She's using our brand again. Exciting.
This is burgundy color. It should have this like nice purple tone to it, so I'm excited to try it out and see how my hair takes to it. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first, let's get this Henna in the bowl. Boiling some water to keep going. I don't have any coffee, so I'm just going to use some mint tea. It's going to help with some of the smell out, but
So she's boiling some water, and I really hope she doesn't put the boiling water in there. It will degrade the color, so make sure when, if you're making tea, I would recommend using hibiscus tea so it brings out more of the red tones. Now, if you want more of the darker tone, then coffee would be ideal to use, but again, not boiling, please. Make sure it's just warm.
I put a little bit of lavender. It takes 10 hours to like sit. Basically, it needs to rest for 10 hours. So we usually start this either at the beginning of the day and like let it do its thing, and then kind of by the afternoon, evening, you can start the process. Or
I personally would recommend mixing it overnight, so you're sleeping, you wake up, and voila, your henna is ready to use the next day.
we do the night before and wake up early and start the process. So, however you need to do that. Yeah, it'll work. I'll grab the tea. Alright, I got a little bit of lavender oil, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll put the rest of that in there.
So she used lavender oil. You can use rosemary, tea tree, any other oils that you want to use. Some use it because of the earthy smell, so they want to cover that up, so you use that oil. But the essential oil that you add in has added benefits, so it's not just to take care of the earthy smell, but you get like amazing benefits from the essential oils, adding it into henna.
Alright, so we got some tea we had brewing.
It looks hot to me. I hope it's not. Oh, it's steaming. Oh. No, it's steaming. Please don't use steaming boiling water. Again, make sure that it's warm before adding it into the mixture. And if you don't have enough water that you boiled, you can always add just regular room temperature water.
So, here we go.
So do keep in mind, once it's cured overnight, the texture will become a little bit hard. So if you feel that way, just add a little bit water to it to help loosen it up.
I just wanna use your love tonight. Talking about that random like 80s, 90s songs, I don't know, coming into my head. I'm sorry, but I'm just thinking about the ride where it's sitting singer with long hair. I'm like, that's me. Literally looks like me. Whatever. That's not it. Riding its back. So, let's see. I want to do a little bit more. Right, try out. A little bit more water might help that. Looking like something. I almost feel like I have something like, but that matters too much. Yeah. Alright. See you in 10 hours. Hey, welcome back. So we got Henna. It's been about 10 hours. So I'm gonna put this on my head. And then we do go to section it off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. This. I just want to say too, I've been dyeing my hair with Henna almost a year now, I think.
Yep.
Those quality, that scalp is good. Don't get nearly as many split ends anymore. Like, I must get. So, definitely worth it if you're somebody that likes dyeing your hair like natural colors and wants to keep the integrity of your hair. So, it's really great for that. Plus, I think a lot of hair companies are like not designed to be like, like oriented towards specific genders, but kind of guys are really like unisex, all inclusive. And that's something that I think that's awesome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for trusting us with your hair. So you want to make sure you section your hair into 4. Make sure you're wearing old t-shirt. Make sure you're wearing gloves because they will stain your hair. So just make sure you're wearing gloves. You want to make sure, especially if you're new to henna, make sure you're covering your floor, your sink. You just want to be careful the first time. As you use henna, you will realize that you don't need to do all of that because you know how to handle it. Three.
Satellite lift off, you know what I mean? Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, this is the...
That's really nice. Now, I know the bathroom lighting is a little off, but I would love to see an outside version. Your henna color does justice an outside light than the inside.
Lights, all the lights on. I'm gonna take some photos, maybe outside, so you can see a little bit better, but definitely have like a little purpley situations. Yeah, I like it. I fell asleep. It was right.
Oh, see? See the difference? Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Just looks amazing. Amazing on her. Well, I liked this because, we did a video last year and she used wine red, and so she's still using our brand. Thank you for trusting us. And you can see that she used our burgundy and the color came out amazing. Now I will link her wine red video in the section down below, and also the current video of her Burgundy, and check out the videos and look at the comparisons. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did too, because it was really nice to see from wine red to Burgundy and her using and still using our brand. So definitely give a try if you have not to henna. You have to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.